Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is hiring in multiple countries, so if you're outside of the United States, they might be hiring in your country, so stay tuned. We will go over all of that. Just know the links to all the pages I share are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Community Phone. Now, they only have 10 reviews on Glassdoor, so as always, please make sure you do your own research on any of these companies before giving them your personal information. They have a 3.2 out of 5-star rating out of those 10 reviews. They are hiring a senior chat sales representative. So this is going to be live website like chat. So it's going to be non-phone. But they're looking for a chat sales representative to meet their customers where they are and help them make their buying decisions. So you're going to work closely with the sales and marketing leaders to convert traffic to leads and leads to close. So you're looking to convert that website traffic that's browsing the website to closing and actually purchasing something. You'll accomplish that by rapidly responding to the live chats, showcasing your exceptional communication skills. You'll help educate the customers on the wide range of products and services that Community Phone offers, ensuring a positive and enlightening interaction. You'll guide customers through their online purchase journey, assisting them with selecting the perfect products that are tailored to their needs. And of course, you will train future members of the chat team and help them ramp up and stay on quota. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They're looking for someone who has experience in sales, at least 3 years, someone who has a great communication skills, someone who is a fast learner, and someone who is a competitive individual who thrives in a team environment and can secure that top spot. So they're looking for people who can really go above and beyond to meet sales quotas. Now, as far as the countries they're hiring in, when you go to the top of this page, it says overview and then application. If you click over on the application, this is where you can fill out your information. But down at the bottom, it says that they currently hire in these countries. Please select what country you reside in. So they hire in Egypt, Honduras, India, Pakistan, Panama, the Philippines, and the United States. I am not sure what happens if you click not listed, since they can only hire in specific countries. Unfortunately, pay is also dependent on experience and location and was not listed in the job description. You'll have to ask that at the time of the interview. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.